Thank you for purchasing the Easi-Go electric wheelchair. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Easi-Go electric wheelchair should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut the tape and any straps with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once opened, you should find the contents packaged like this. Placed on top in a clear plastic bag, you'll find the instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains useful information on the assembly, basic maintenance and best use of your product. Remove and set to one side all the separate components, including the armrests, remote control, charger and seat. Now you can access the main body. We don't advise lifting out the Easi-Go as one piece as it is quite heavy. Instead, start by lifting off the battery and setting it aside. Lift the handle behind the seat post to split the front and rear sections. You can now lift out both halves separately at a reduced weight. To reconnect the front and rear sections, first tilt the rear section so it's resting upright. Next, lift and lower the front section into the rear section. Then tilt the front section down until you hear a click. Finally, tilt the front section upright again and lower the body onto its wheels. These two components should now be locked into place. Next, drop the battery back into place and add the seat. Simply drop it onto the seat post and use the swivel handle to make sure it's secure. You can use this feature to swivel the seat from side to side. Now it's time to add the armrest. Slot them into the designated holders on the side of the chair and twist the handled knobs to secure them into a fixed position. Next, you can attach the remote control. If you're using a knife or a pair of scissors to remove the wrapping, take care to avoid cutting the cable. Only cut the tape on the outside and not the wrapping itself. Slot the remote control into the designated groove under the armrest and tighten the dial on the side to secure it in place. Use this plastic strap to attach the cable to the frame. This will reduce the slack on the cable and help prevent catching it on any obstructions. Plug the cable into this socket on the rear of the power chair and activate the chair using the power button on the remote. Flick these red handles on the power chair to take it between drive and freewheel mode. When you wish to control the chair using the remote control, make sure it's in drive mode. Otherwise, the motor will remain disconnected and the lights on the control will flicker. Your Easi-Go electric wheelchair is now fully assembled. Please keep the box and any packaging safe and in the dry, just in case you wish to return the item. For more information about the Easi-Go electric wheelchair or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.